Hello, welcome to BackBeeBroken Beekeeping. Did you know that beekeeping has been used to treat various disorders such as depression, PTSD, and anxiety? Well, today is a great day to get some of that stress relief. We're going to do a warm weather check-in on our bees, see how they're doing, see what they're working. But before we go any further in the video, if you would, make sure you hang around to the end of the video because I'll be providing you a link to get a free book called Beekeeping Tips, Tricks, and Hacks that provides a lot of useful information. Well, as you can see, today's a nice, beautiful day in Northwest Florida. Beautiful blue sky, sunny. Temperatures about 57, 60 degrees. The past few weeks, we've had either really cold weather for Northwest Florida or really rainy weather. This is our rainy season, so the girls are out making the best of the nice sunny day. So with today being as nice out as it is, the bees are really out working it, getting things done, and it's just a beautiful day. Matter of fact, it's so nice out today that I'm going to be doing my check-in with the girls in my Christmas PJs. That's right, Christmas PJs, folks. So let's see what the girls are doing. As you can tell, they're being pretty busy right now. They're out making the best of the nice weather. I'm seeing a lot of white, yellow, and orange pollen. I'm going to see if I can zoom in. I would put the phone closer to get a better shot, but sometimes they frown upon this black phone being right in front of their entrance. So I'm just going to zoom in. I apologize if the video quality gets a little bad, but there you see some orange pollen. But man, there's nothing I love better than just watching them come and go, being really active. There's no wonder that this helps treat people with depression, PTSD, and other stress-related disorders. I know whenever I'm out here, it really helps me because I'm just in the now, watching them come and go. I'm not depressed about the stuff from the past. I'm not anxious about anything that's upcoming. I'm just in the now, which allows me to be much more relaxed. So, if you're one of those crazy people that come out here and check on your beehives and just sit with them and watch them come and go in your Christmas pajamas, or even if you don't do that, leave me a comment what your favorite thing is about your beehives and what you might do that's kind of unique or interesting. So if you enjoyed this warm weather check-in with the bees, if you would, do me a big favor. It'll really help me out. Hit that subscribe button. Smash the thumbs up icon. Thank you.